guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I will give a review for a cheap product that I found in Lulu. It's called Portable Handy Mister. It's like a humidifier. It's a small, and I found it in the discount price. Alright, so you can see it. And it's interesting me because they say about Sushant Singh Rajput. He is a brand ambassador of this brand, so it's really interesting to try. Alright, so we will unboxing this one. Okay. Inside you will find the charger. And yeah, this is the machine. Yeah,
the little humidifier.
Yeah, the idea is the humidifier is really good for your nose problem, because I have a rhinitis, so it's very, and also for dry hair. It's very dry. He has a very dry hair, and Ryan has a dry skin. Okay, so let's try. Just open like this. Okay, it's too fast. I will put the water. I saw in some YouTube video they add like makeup remover or what else? Like oil and oil fragrance and etc. But I thought that is not recommended. First of all, this is not like the room humidifier, so I prefer to add the mineral water. Alright.
And quickly dump it.
Yeah, not dump. It should be like this. See?
Oh.
Okay. Oops. Just like this. Yeah.
Make sure it's
tight. It's tight. Yeah. And here you go. Place to charge. I think you can use a mobile plug. Yeah. It's really handy actually, and it's really small. You can put in your pocket, you can put in your wallet, you can put, not the wallet I think, it's a small bag I meant. So yeah, that's really good.
That's because it's portable. Portable.
It's a portable. Yeah. And also in the winter season, like in my car, when I drive, I feel like my nose and everything, I feel so dry. So this will be really helpful for me. Okay. And wow.
Woo!
And you know what? It's really feel cool.
And it's watering.
Yeah. And for me, it's really good for my nose. I bought it.
And for my hair.
I also bought it and gifted to my sister-in-law. So perhaps I hope that they will like it, especially in the summer season coming. That's it review from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. No bye from you.
Bye.